Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Darren Tang, professional bowler on the PBA Tour for now. And this is Pro BM, where we have a challenger come in, bowl against me in a one-game match. And if they win, they get a ball of their choice or a lesson from yours truly. I don't think Scott's gonna want a lesson, but we have an interesting one here. He's a mechanic here at Gold Coast. This is Scott. Thanks for coming on the channel.
Thank you, man.
So
Happy to be here.
Scott has picked the pattern we're gonna bowl on. I don't know what it is. I haven't thrown a single shot. I've seen him throw a couple of shots, so I kind of have an idea of what I want to do. Yeah, that's gonna be the handicap for today's challenge. We're gonna bowl straight up. Is there anything you want to say to the people?
No, I'm just really grateful to be here. I'm excited. Thanks for having me on.
Yeah, we appreciate you.
Let's get at it, dude.
We appreciate you taking care of us when we come here. So he's basically
Darren
the main guy.
and Tim and all these guys. I can't say enough about what you do for our bowling community. So I'm really happy to support you guys in any way I can.
Appreciate it, Scott. All right, we're gonna let you lead it off, and good luck.
All right, dude.
We're a pain in the ass. He just doesn't want to say it. He's just too nice.
Going with the purple hammer.
This helps me. This helps me confirm.
I did throw a little reactive on the yeah. Well, anyway, here we go.
It's like bowling on TV, the first frame jitters.
Yeah, I don't have a whole lot of experience doing this, so.
It's just like normal bowling.
Is it?
Yeah.
Except
for the lights, and you feel, it just makes you feel a certain way that you don't normally feel.
Yeah, I'm definitely feeling parts of my body that I normally don't feel.
I guess shout out to EJ, because it's like normal bowling for him.
Yeah.
The guy's on a tear right now. It's pretty nuts. Pretty sick run. 6 shows in a row. Probably gonna be 7. Oh! Oh!
All right.
Scott came to play. Wait, what do you average?
2-0?
2-0? Scott's not 2-0. There's no way. I feel like it's definitely more than that.
I'm bowling a lot of league right now.
But that's what yeah. He's really focused on maintaining the quality of the league pattern. Just a raw guess right here. I saw a little bit of hook off the gutter, so we'll try to be a little firmer. Oh, God. Don't throw it there. I also haven't been shooting very many spares this past week, grinding the two-handed game. Oh. All right, off to the slowest of slow starts. Game on.
Uh-oh.
I guess I'll refrain from asking about the pattern till towards the end.
Okay. Do you have an idea what we're bowling on, or?
No.
Did you have nothing?
Not really. Okay. I feel like the first number starts with a 4.
Starts with a 4. Okay.
I could be wrong. I wonder if it's what we've just been bowling on.
It actually starts with a 3.
Dang it.
You're not far off, though.
Well, the first shot I threw made me feel like it was a 3, and then I watched your shot. That made me feel like it was a 4. It's between 3 and 4. Maybe. All right.
All right.
Okay.
Shot.
I'm down a mark. I mean, I kind of figured out where I needed to play. The first one was just no good. A little left toe. Maybe. Scott's running them out too. Everyone's just running them out on me today. Everybody.
I just really wanted that one.
Apply a little bit of squeeze.
Yes.
I had to go back to the regional vlog, and I felt like I was actually throwing it pretty good there, just to see some things that were different from how I'm throwing it now. Definitely see some differences. Some good, some not so good. Oh.
I think that's what separates the pros from the amateurs right there.
It certainly doesn't hurt. We're gonna have more spares. And we miss them sometimes. All right, here we go to get back in the match. Oh my God. All right, I think a little more ball speed might be good. That was a little slow, a little hesitant. All right, if I spare this, we're even.
Go. Hey, there we go.
All right.
Nice
We
shot.
got some cool things
Excellent.
happening. Yes. We made our adjustment from the first frame.
Oh, wow.
There's like a little tube right there.
Yeah, that flew right through the break point. I don't know if I missed that one at the bottom or what. Come on.
Oh, the GSX curse. It's like you didn't miss, but you did. I think that's one of the dumbest hits in this game.
Dumbest hits?
The washout wrap.
Oh, the washout wrap.
It's just silly. Just gonna try to up the ball speed a little bit. It's a little funny right there. Like it just doesn't want to hook in that spot. I kind of missed that one. Tumbled it a little too much, but all right.
All right.
Back on, back on.
Oh, I did it again.
I do a little thinking here.
Yeah, I did put, there's a lot of volume in this
Okay.
I don't know, I think we're moving it around a little bit already.
As the urethane balls do. All right, well, I think you've missed that spare every way you can, so hopefully you don't leave it again. I would very much like to get my track away from my middle finger because it keeps getting closer. Not bad. Oh yeah, it's getting behind it pretty good now. Just, oh!
Did you make that?
That one felt like a miss.
All right. I think you're to the right of me, so I think I need to get back.
Yeah, I think my slight miss left is gonna do that instead of like go all the way through it. Oh, a little move. There it is.
That's a good move.
There it is. I almost wanna change balls, but I'm not going to. Nope. All right.
Nice shot, Darren.
Thank you. More oil means more
I think we're up
urethane.
around 30.
Around 30?
I think so.
30 mils. Light oil pattern for the PBA
Is
tour.
that a light oil pattern for you?
for the tour it is.
Okay.
I think on average it's like 34. I haven't even been looking at the volumes because they still hook plenty. Baby? Baby? Ooh. Are you regretting your choice?
About what? The pattern?
Yeah.
Oh, no. No, not at all. Well, you had to bowl in something, right?
That's true.
I'm really trying to learn this part of the game, right? The lane play part of it.
Oh, wheel.
Oh, no. Uh-oh.
Endless 10th frame?
I guess so.
He's just
We're
getting
gonna have
lined
to
up.
string a bunch of them.
He's getting lined up for the endless 10th frame. I got my track off my middle finger, so that's cool. Let's see if we can get here another one. Equal pressure. There we go. Yes. Yes.
That's nice.
Get to throw the pitch black next week at the Masters. I'm excited. And by next week, it's probably not going to be next week when this video goes live. Real hard.
Come on, man. This is hard.
I got faith. You're going to pick this one up. Bang. Labeled. Labeled. Jesse wanted smack talking. I feel like it's kind of hard when the match gets
It's hard
like
to
this.
smack talk when you're not living it.
I wouldn't say good enough. Just when the game kind of goes like this. I think we all know, including the viewers, that no one gets in my head better than I get in my own head.
Oh, well.
If I'm bowling good, no one's getting in here. If I'm bowling bad, I'm getting in here. Whoa! Well, it's not over yet, so there will be an opportunity. Do I need to move? I feel like I'm not exactly striping where I'm throwing it. Let's do a one-handed trick, two-handed. I just don't have very good control over what I'm about to do. Go. That wasn't bad. All right, I like my hair is getting all over the place, man. I just got a haircut this morning.
I guess I'm getting the real Darren Tang experience.
No,
This
no,
is really
no,
what I
no,
want.
no. Did I just bowl bad every time we bowled
No,
together?
you bowled great.
Oh.
I think you've always bowled really good.
Wheel.
I can't get the ball
Jeez,
to hook.
nasty stuff. All right, so the endless 10th frame still alive. We're gonna explain to the people in the back if they don't know. All Scott has to do here, well, the spare is kind of tricky, but he needs the spare. He's got to strike from the fill. Then he can strike as many times as he can. That will add 10 pins to his score every strike. The second he misses, that's when it's cut off. He doesn't get the count. Only strikes count. So I have 238 left. You will need a spare and
About 20 strikes.
I think 10. A spare and a 10 packer. Oh. Is that how you do it? I just,
All right.
That's-
I just need 10 more,
you
right?
picked up some pretty tough spares. Strike here gives you 150 plus 9 more would be 90. 244. Yeah. 10 bagger.
All right, let's see what we can do.
Go a little bit. He was sandbagging. He was waiting for the endless 10th frame. He's just waiting for it. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna bowl a bad game, and then I'm just gonna reel off 10 in a row to beat Darren by 6 pins, and yeah. All right, 9 more.
Easy game.
Easy game.
No.
Simo's over there bowling on the same pattern, strike with every ball he's got in his bag. We need the extension. Here we go. Endless 10 frame. To the hook. Got a hook. Ow.
Uh,
Oh.
all right, Darren. Thank you very much. That was fun.
Yeah. Thanks for what you do here. We appreciate you. Yeah, so shout out to Scott. Thanks for everything he does here. He takes very good care of us. He actually makes patterns for us when we want to try to simulate another tournament. So that's really cool. I appreciate you for doing that for us, and just everything you do for Gold Coast, and helping Bowling move forward. So
likewise.
Thanks for coming. Hopefully we'll run it back. Maybe a pattern. Oh, what was the pattern?
The pattern was PBA Carter. It was 39 feet. I think 30 mils.
Why did that? Okay, I can see it. All right. Well, maybe next time you could build a pattern of your own.
Oh, okay.
And you'll practice on it. Then we'll come in blind again, see if we can take you down on the Scott pattern.
Thanks for the experience, Darren.
Yeah. Thanks for being on the channel.
All right.
If you guys made it this far, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you guys want a chance to duke it out with myself, let me know what the handicap would be in the comment section down below, and why you think you can beat me. All right, we'll see you next time.